Pedro is calling a clinic to schedule a routine medical checkup.
Hello, good morning. I would like to schedule a routine medical appointment.
Good morning. Sure, I can help you with that. Are you looking for a general checkup or any specific tests?
I would like a routine checkup, including blood and urine tests.
Okay, I see. Can I have your age, please?
I am 40 years old.
Great. Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I have a plan. My card number is 1237755.
Perfect. For blood tests, you need to be fasting for at least 8 to 12 hours. Do you understand?
Yes, I do. Should I only avoid food or drinks too?
You can drink water, but avoid any other drinks. Coffee, tea, and juice should be avoided.
I will make sure to stay fasting tonight.
Also, please arrive at least 15 minutes early for check-in. There is a $20 fee for the visit.
Understood. Is there any form I need to fill out before the appointment?
You can fill it out when you arrive. We will provide the forms at the reception desk.
Okay. I would like to schedule it for August 20th, if possible.
Let me check. Yes, we have an opening in the morning at 9:30 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that works perfectly.
Excellent. I will book it. Do you have any medical conditions we should know about?
No, I'm generally healthy.
Great. When you arrive, bring your ID and your insurance card. Also, wear comfortable clothes in case you need to get your blood pressure or weight checked.
Thank you for the information. Should I avoid any medications before the tests?
Only if your doctor has specifically instructed you to do so. Otherwise, take your regular medications with a small sip of water.
I will follow that. How long does the checkup usually take?
It depends on the tests, but usually about 45 minutes to an hour.
That's good. I can manage that in the morning.
Do you have any questions about parking or public transport?
Yes. Where should I park if I drive?
We have a parking lot next to the clinic. It's free for patients.
Thank you very much for your help. I think I'm ready for the appointment.
You're welcome. See you on August 20th at 9:30 a.m. Don't forget to fast and arrive 15 minutes early.
Here is a recap of the key points and important details covered in the dialogue. Check-in. Explanation. Means to register upon arrival at a location, such as a clinic or airport. Used for Pedro arriving early. Make sure. Explanation. Meaning to ensure something happens. Pedro plans to make sure he fasts correctly. Work perfectly. Explanation. Meaning something is suitable or convenient. Pedro refers to the appointment time. Follow that. Explanation. Meaning to adhere to instructions. Pedro will follow the advice about medications. Bring up, implied, and bring your ID. Explanation means to take something with you to a place. Receptionist reminds Pedro to bring documents.